all are having an amazing day. I am excited because I have my second single swag box. So I really like this box, you guys, and what I really like about it, I get that it is geared toward single women, but you don't have to be single to get this box, y'all. You really don't. I obviously am married, but I still really like the items that are in this box, and I think it's a great lifestyle box. If you're getting a little overwhelmed with like beauty products and stuff, this is a great box in my opinion, because there may be some beauty products, but it's also going to have other stuff, which I think is fantastic. So first, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, live streams, giveaways. And speaking of giveaways, we do have quite a few active giveaways right now, including our 6,000 subscriber giveaway, which will be linked down below with any other active giveaways. So definitely head over and enter if you have not already. But single swag. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Now that link will actually save you a little bit off your first box, which I think is awesome. It's gonna take $10 or $15 off. I'm not exactly sure. I apologize, but it is $10 or $15, or maybe it's 20%. I don't know, but it's gonna save you some money. Single swag is $39.99 a month with free shipping. And it comes with 6 to 7 full-size items every month. And it's the monthly sub box for all the single women out there. Like I said, you don't have to be single. It does ship worldwide, which is fantastic. Now, they do also have a petite version, which is 3 to 4 items every month. The boxes ship out on the 1st of the month, and you want to place the order by the 15th of the month to receive the current box. So if you guys like this box, order by the 15th and you can get this same box. But what's going to be in single swag are going to be fashion accessories, organic bath and body products, delicious artisan crafted foods, top selling books, and exciting surprises. So, like I said, you do not have to be single. I get that that's obviously the point. It's in the name of the box, but you don't have to be single, because I'm married and I want to treat myself. So let's get it open and see what we got for November. So this is what we see when we open it. So there is a card. All right. And then it goes over all of the items. Now this is one thing I love about this subscription. I love when any subscription does this. It goes over in detail each of the items, including pricing, which I think is awesome. So this again is the November 2019 box. Loving yourself isn't vanity, it's sanity. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. All right, so then we have the single swag tissue paper. We pull it back and we have goodies. So we are going to start, oh, yes. All right, so this is from Perlice, and this is the Coconut and Rice Nourishing Sheet Mask. Moisturizing and soothing. It's for all skin types, and it is a 6-pack. So there are 6 masks in here. I was wondering, I was like, that's a big mask, but there are 6 individual sheet masks in here. So that is awesome. And this is a $38 value. Love your skin with these soothing, firming, natural fiber masks infused with coconut, rice, and restorative Asian botanicals. The power blend of all natural ingredients will moisturize, fight harmful free radicals, and reduce inflammation, leaving your skin healthy, beautiful, and radiant. Effective on all skin types, paraben, cruelty, and sulfate free. That sounds awesome. I love a good sheet mask, and I love Perlice, so I'm actually really excited about this, and there's 6 of them. So don't be surprised if you see 1 or 2 of these in a giveaway, because you know I like to share. All right, so that was our first item. And then our second item, now I've actually received this in a different box before, so this will be going into a giveaway. This is the Dr. Botanical's limited edition Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. This is $26. This all-natural, award-winning product is packed full of vitamins and minerals, all working together to rejuvenate, renew, and protect skin. The antioxidant-rich formula will leave your skin hydrated and protected. Certified vegan. So, like I said, I've received this before, so this will be going into a future giveaway. This is the actual product. The bottle is so pretty. So there's that guy. Put that over here for one of you guys. All right. And then, let's see. We have a snack. There is always a snack in here. Last month we got a cookie, y'all, and it was so good. This is from Buddha Bowl Foods, the Himalayan Gold Butter Flavored Coconut Oil Popcorn. And Lesser Evil Himalayan Gold Popcorn, $3. Treat yourself with this 100% guilt-free popcorn made with a blend of organic coconut oil and botanical extracts, vegan, gluten-free, and delicious. Now, I feel like I have tried this, but I don't remember. I have hair all over me, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm a mess. I feel like I've tried this, but I don't remember coconut oil. But it was really, you know what? Why not, right? Yeah, it doesn't smell. Sometimes with when products have coconut oil cooked with them, sometimes you can get a bit of that coconut flavor. Not with these though. That's good. That almost tastes like movie theater popcorn. I'm not even gonna lie. That is so good. All right, and then we have from Jules Smith Beauty, Serene Queen Power Gloss. This is $18 right here. Inspired by the power and purpose of gemstones, this luxe gloss is designed to provide and promote balance, harmony, attraction, confidence, and well-being. Formulated with vitamins A and E to keep lips hydrated for the perfect pout with high shine and a shimmery finish. It's thundering if you hear that. It's storming. That almost startled me. It was like, boom. Oh, this is pretty. Popcorn in my teeth. So it's a regular little doe foot applicator. Oh, that's like up. It is shiny. It feels very nice. At first I thought it was going to be a little bit sticky and thick. But I don't think so. I like the way this feels, actually. I really like that. And if it's gonna like promote balance and harmony and all that, then I'm definitely all about it. Yes. All right, so then we also have Richer Poorer Socks. These are cute. Women's classic ankle casual. Quality cotton designed in California. So there's some ankle socks. They feel super soft. Treat your feet with these stylish, cozy socks produced with high quality combed cotton design for durability and comfort. $14. They are like really soft, but I can tell you right now, one thing, I mean, I know that this time of year, I'm not gonna lie, I do not like anything on my feet. I wear flip-flops 24/7, 365. Like, I just toes out. But I will occasionally like a good slipper or a good cozy sock. But these I definitely would probably reach for because they're thin, but they are so soft. So I really like those. All right, and then we have a book. New York Times bestseller, Wildflower by Drew Barrymore. I love Drew Barrymore. Oh, I love Drew Barrymore. This is $16. This heart-stirring New York Times bestseller that in style called Deeply Thoughtful and Fun shares funny, insightful, and profound stories from actress Drew Barrymore's past and present, told from the place of happiness that she currently enjoys. Oh, you guys, I love Drew Barrymore. And she's gorgeous. Oh, and there's a beautiful picture of her and her two little girls. All right, so we've got one more thing in here. And move that out of the way. This is, it says, Gemma Simone to the Moon and Back Best Friend Necklace Set. $86. This is right here. A friend is someone who understands your past, believes in your future, and accepts you just the way you are. Someone whose love for you stretches all the way to the moon and back, and vice versa. Stay connected with your person by sharing this best friend piece with them. Necklaces produced with sterling silver and measure 16 inches with a 4-inch extender. $86. So again, this is the box that they're in. Oh my goodness. It's pouring outside, y'all. I had to like stop and listen. Y'all. So this again says, a friend is someone who understands your past, believes in your future, and accepts you just the way you are. Someone whose love for you stretches all the way to the moon and back, and vice versa. Stay connected with your person by sharing this best friend piece with them. You guys, this is amazing. So there's a moon necklace and an arrow. So like, oh my gosh. I love this so much. That's just gorgeous, and the meaning, I love the simplicity of both of those necklaces. Y'all, this box was awesome. Again, this was only my second month, but I love this box. Like I said, I'll put a link down below if you would like to sign up. It will, like I said, save you something. I'll make sure to put it in the description, or I'll put it right here, exactly what the link will save you. I know, again, I'm not sure if it's $10, $15, 20%, something, but it does save you something. I definitely recommend this box. You guys, it is fantastic. And the total retail value for the November 2019 box is $201. Amazing. And again, you don't have to be single. So let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.